Hey guys, welcome back. So now here we are in document posting, right? So guys, till now, whatever configurations we have done, even like each and every functions we have checked practically, right? It means whatever the basic settings we have done, right? So that we have tested practically that how system is going to trigger, posting period practically, how system is going to trigger the fiscal year variant, right? Or else field status variant, how the fields are getting controlled, right? What is the difference between posting key and field status variant? Because both are going to control the same fields, right? So now in this session, we'll see few more things. So let's suppose I have posted multiple transactions, right? So here, generally what happened, like let's suppose there is a transaction, any transactions, you have posted like, okay, rent account. So instead of 500, we have given 5,000. Okay, so that amount was given 5,000. This is a mistake, right? So now what will happen, guys? This transaction already got posted. What to do in order to rectify the mistake? So a pretty simple thing is there. We have to reverse the document or so-called transactions which we have posted. That is called document reversal. Okay. Now we'll do one thing. We have already posted multiple transaction, I think. So let me log in. Oh my god, why it is not getting connected, guys? I think somebody just log in and check whether everybody are getting the same issues or only I am getting these issues. Someone just check and confirm here, guys. Anyone? Facing the same issues. Everybody. Okay. I'll just do one thing. Let me try here. Let me try here if this one is also not working. No, this is working. So no issues, guys. No issues. I just in the old server itself because again cancelling the class is not the solution. It's working here. So I'll use a different company code. Okay. I'll use a different company code for testing. So I'll tell you guys, company code doesn't matter, concept matter, right? So instead of your company code, I'll use a different company code which is set up here. Now, so go to FBL3N transaction code and check. So I've given the rent GL number and I'm going to give one existing company code, CM10. I think multiple transactions I have posted. Look at here, several transactions are there. Now, so guys, let's suppose a particular transaction, okay, a particular transaction. Say for example, this 1,000 document number 1,000. This is the first transaction which I think I have posted. Okay, so this is the first one which I have posted for this company code. So let's suppose I made a mistake. I have to reverse this document number. So it's pretty simple, guys. We are going to reverse the transactions. So I'll tell you guys generally what happened in SAP. Why it is most trustable ERP, guys? Because manipulation is not possible by any means. by any way. Why? Because generally here, like let's suppose somebody has made a mistake, right? So if you want to delete this transaction, it is impossible. Once it got posted, it will be as it is. Only you can do that, you can rectify your books of account. Look at here now, total 97k, total worth of transaction is 97k, right? This 1000 extra, let's suppose due to certain reason it got posted by mistake or whatever it is. So simply we are going to reverse this. Reversal in the sense, now another line item is going to be created. One extra line item is going to be created. Here we are having credit balance. Now with debit balance, another line item is going to be created. I think this is rent is got, it is credited already, right? So anyway, if it is credited, so that also can be mistake, guys, because instead of debit we have credited the rent, right? So now we'll do one thing, we'll reverse this transaction. Okay, so use transaction code FV08. Okay, you have to give a document number, company code, and of course current financial year you have to give. And then here a reversal, a reason. So guys, there could be various reasons, right? So instead of like typing the reason and all, we can define reason code. Okay, reversal due to incorrect amount, reversal due to XYZ, ABC, right? So certain reversal reason can be defined. Okay, and that is going to be at the time of making reversal and all, we are going to two digit code will be created. Let's suppose here like, let's suppose code number 11, 12, 13, 14, like that, two digit numeric, alphanumeric, anything can be given. So this is code number 11 means like due to incorrect amount, due to incorrect like any other what to say details like cost center, profit center, business area, like that. Okay. So likewise certain code can be created. But generally what happens, guys, we do not create. Why? Because SAP has already delivered certain code, predefined code, that itself is going to be used by users. So I'm going to give a code number 01, reversal in current period. Okay. If you want to give a particular posting date, you can give, or else no issues. Now, display before reversal, if you want to check, click on display before reversal here. I think this server is also slow. There might be some maintenance related activity, I think, going on, because I've seen like there was a call from server on it. So I was unable to answer his call. There might be something is going on. Let me check if the connectivity is broken. Once again, I'll have to log in, guys. Server is quite slow. Anyone just log in into this server, guys, and check it whether it is slow for everyone or it is slow for me only. I've given access of this server also, right? This is the old one, guys. You all will be having access of this one also, right? So go to FBL. Just go to FB. Praveen is saying giving same error. No, dear, error will not be there. The only thing is like you have to check whether this server is fast or slow. If it is slow for me only, then there might be again network related issues and all. And if it is slow for everybody, then from there only the problem will be there. FA08. Right, it's taking too much time here. Anyway, so now not able to log in. Preeti. I think you're trying in new server. Anyway, leave it. So Ravina and Jay. Now it is very slow. It's okay, guys. Anyway, we'll proceed slowly itself. No worries. Now click on display before it's a reversal. Again, it is going to take time, guys. Okay. So now here, what is happening, guys? Okay, I have given a wrong company code actually. TM00 I have given, right? I was supposed to give TM10. Look at here, the amount got changed. $500. It's very slow, guys. That is the case, then it is going to take too much time, right? Okay. Now here, I'll just make it TM10. Okay. And then simply post it. Post it. So now what is happening, guys? We're taking too much time. Okay. So it got posted. Document number, this one was got posted. Right. Now, there is a question, guys. How system has generated this document number? Can someone tell me the logic? Document number 19. How it was posted? 1019.
Sir, in document type, we have mentioned in SA document type. If we go to SA document type, we will see that there is a code that is like AB or something for the reversal entry, and from there it will see that which number is this.
Anyone want to give any other logic, guys? Anything else? Amita is also saying by document type. Okay. So yes, guys, of course, document type. From document type itself, first of all, system is going to determine the document type, right? But here, generally, in case of reversal, what is happening, guys? In case of reversal, how system is going to identify the document type? Because generally, what happened? It's quite slow, guys. It's quite slow. Okay. Generally, what happened while posting the any transaction? Let's suppose EBITDA 02, right? So here we have document type is appearing, right? Document type is appearing. So now system is able to identify the document type. From document type, system is going to trigger the number range code, right? Against that number range code, we have given a particular number range, right? And from that range, system is going to pick a particular number. Based on what? Based on number range status. That I have already told you guys what is the logic behind this number range status. Now the question is, while posting this reversal, system is on this front screen, like here system is unable to find out the document type, right? So how system is going to trigger the document type? So system is going to trigger the document type, guys, I'll tell you. With the source document. Source document here, what is the source document? I've given document number 1000. This 1000 is the source document here, and system is going to check this transaction. This 1000 transaction got posted against which document type? So system in background, system will check this. In background itself, system SAP came to know that SA document type is there, right? Then if you go to OB-A7, you go to OB-A7 here and check like this SA document type, right? So system is going to check SA document type. So SA document type, look at here, reverse document type is AB. It means when a transaction we have posted against SA document type, if that transaction is going to be reversed, then what is happening, guys? Then reversal entry will be posted against which document type? AB document type. So now, first of all, system has identified the source document number. From source document number, system is going to check like this document number is posted against which what is the document type. System came to know that particular document type, that is SA. And against SA, what is the reversal document type of SA? So system found AB is the reversal document type. Then system is going to check AB document type, and system will check against AB which number range code we have given. So against AB, which number range code we have given. Let me come back. Again, it's taking time, guys. So against AB, which like number range code is given, and against that code, what range we have given, right? In that, from that range, again, look at here, AB here. So against AB, again 01 itself, I think will be there, right? So system will trigger that 01, and again 01 whatever, there is the 01. Again, system is going to check the number range against 01, like what we have given, what number range got created. So this is how system is going to trigger, right? Look at here, again 01. So 1000 to 1999. And NR status 19 got generated just now. Before that, what was the number in status, guys? 18. So 18 was there. That is why system is going to add, in the sense +1. Then 19 is getting generated. This is what the logic. Pretty simple. Okay. Now the next one is, so in previous sessions I have just told you guys, we are using F-02 for transaction posting. While using F-02, what is the major problem, guys? This is called classic transaction code. So multiple screens are appearing. First of all, we have given, like, let's suppose header details. Then here in line item, we are going to give debit posting key, then debit GL. Again, on our next screen is going to appear. Again, you have to give certain details. For this GL account, whatever amount is there, narration is there, business area, cost center, profit center, whatever the required details are there is going to be given. And again, next line item, in the sense you have to enter the credit posting key and credit GL. And if you press enter, then another screen is going to appear. So multiple screens are appearing, right? Instead of that, we are going to use, this is called classic transaction code, not enjoy. Now this is FB50. So this is called enjoy transaction code. Here generally what is happening, on a single screen itself, we are going to do each and everything, right? So same thing, whatever the fields and functionalities and things are there is being used by F-02, the same functionality is there here in FB50 also, right? So this is called, the screen become simplified, right? SAP still delivering both transaction code, guys. F-02 is also there, FB50 is also there. Whichever user wants to use, like whichever transaction, because I'll tell you, if you talk about the old users like the people who is having 15-20 years of experience, right, in SAP, and still they are working as a, and they're using the SAP and all. So those people, they're quite familiar with F-02 itself, right? So most likely, like, people would not like to adopt the change and all, right? So anyway, it depends. Both transactions good. So now here, let's suppose I'm going to give a date here. What is the difference between document date and posting date, guys? I'll cover a topic called payment terms. There I'll explain. Header reference, reference and header text, anything can be given here. Okay. GL account, rent GL. Then here, look at here, debit and credit. You can select. So rent GL is debit. No need to remember 40, 50, whatever the posting keys are there. No need to remember, because I know, like, most of you will be having confusion that so these many posting keys are there. How can we remember those many posting keys? These many document types are there. How can we remember the document types? So guys, I'm saying no need to remember the document types. But yes, look at here, while posting the transaction, this SA document type is appearing. For you guys, it is not going to appear. So what you have to do, you need to click on processing option. Okay. If document type do not appear, then you need to click on processing option. Screen is quite this speed is quite slow, guys. It's like very what's it? Oh my god, it's taking too much time. Use AP50 here. Let me check. Okay, you need to click on processing option here. But this one also it is taking time, guys. So generally, if you are going to click on this processing options, then you'll be having. Let me see if any here it is open. So look at here, document type options, right? So here you need to select. See, look at here. So in your case, document type hidden. This option will be there. That is why document type is not appearing. Okay, so you can see you can select display with short name. If you click on display with short name, then what is happening, guys? In that case, here the document type is appearing, is going to appear, but it will be in display mode. Document type will appear, but it will be in display mode. Display mode in the sense like user will not be able to change the document type, and most likely your client will say that you make such the things in such a way so that the document type should not be changed by users and all. So in that case, what you have to do, display with short name you can, and remaining whatever the options are there, like let's suppose if Tata Motor requirement is like, let's suppose document type can be changed as per requirements, so then you have to select document type ready for input. So the remaining whatever is there that is related to editable and all. So if you're going to, so anyone you can select, guys. Either you can select here anyone display with short name, then only code is going to appear automatically. You won't be able to change the document type. Okay, a document type ready for input means it is in change mode. Enter all the details, and then here we are going to enter the GL account. Again, debit, credit, any amount, guys. Let's suppose, or I'll give certain unique amount, because look at here, the company code is different, guys. Right? Again, 1000 credit. So guys, still since we are in beginning, what is a phase itself, right? So that is why some of you might be knowing very well about this transaction postings and all. Okay, so you have given all the details. We have given debit, we have given credit. Here, what is happening, guys? Here, generally, what happened? If you talk about the, like, let's suppose if you talk about the field control, right? You press enter here. Look at here, field control. So field control means generally, if I say is like, let's look at here, somebody has made assignment field. Definitely, it will be in I think suppressed. Okay, I'll tell you. There might be a chances at posting key level, or might be OB C4, right? We have to check the field status variant. First of all, variant, right? What is the field status variant, guys? I think for this company code PM10 itself will be there. Let me check. Double click here. And let's suppose Z001. So here assignment. Double click on general data. Assignment number is suppressed. So I'm just going to make it optional. So guys, now earlier generally what was there, guys? What was there here? Assignment field was suppressed, right? So suppressed means what? Till now what we have seen in classic transaction code, the assignment field itself is going to disappear. But in enjoy transactions, what is happening, guys? The field will not disappear. But yes, it is going to be converted into this one. It is going to convert into like display mode, right? So anyway, no one can enter anything, right? Even let's suppose I have not saved that. Look at here, I have made it, I have changed it, but I have not saved. So still system is going to behave as per the previous settings only. Once again, and here let's suppose 1100. And let's suppose in assignment field I'm going to give a particular, okay, certain details. If you press enter, okay, now you press enter. Let me check it, guys. It got posted, right? Why it got posted, guys? Is it saved? Is it saved or not? I think it was saved actually. I was saved it. Now I just do it once again because it was got posted. System should not allow if it is now 1200. Right? Assignment field once again. Just one. And if you press enter, then look at here, guys. An entry in field assignment not permitted for account 4000. It means why it is not permitted, because we have suppressed it. We have suppressed it, right? We have suppressed the assignment field. Now the question is, when we have suppressed a particular field, this assignment number, so in F-02, the entire that field itself was disappeared. The field was not appearing at the time of transaction posting. But here the problem is, here the field is appearing. Here the field is appearing. Why it is appearing, guys? Why it is not disappearing? Can anybody explain the logic? Put some stress on your head, guys. Like, I mean to say, like,
Sir,
think and say something. Tell me.
sir, in this case, when we are using FB50, there are multiple transaction we can do. So we have made changes in one particular GL suppressed. That's why it is not applicable to each and every part.
Okay. Anybody else want to say? Okay, I got certain messages also. Let me have it. Look here. So credit entry because 1000 GL account not suppressed. No, no, no. It's not like that. 1000 GL account. See, in GL account 1000 also, we are using the same field status group Z001 itself. See, the thing is, I said like against Z001, we have make it suppressed, right? Now we are having GL number, this rent GL. So here we have assigned G001. Here also we have assigned G001 itself, right? So this condition is applicable on both GL. There's both GL, right? So nothing. The logic is whatever Venus has said, the same thing is there, guys, right? And some of you might be thinking like, okay, people are able to reply, and then you guys are, don't worry, guys. Actually, she is from previous batch, right? So due to certain reasons, she is continuing. So these basic setting and other things she has already done. So anyway, she is having like understanding and all. So even you guys are also going to have the understanding. Don't worry, right? You guys like it is first time, right? Now, so why it is like, look at here, assignment field is there, right? So this assignment field, generally what is happening here, if assignment entire field itself is going to disappear, then what, how it is going to happen, guys? It is not going to happen. Why? Because here it is on or what? Okay, I'll just delete and then press enter. Then again the error is for this one, because that is also okay. So look at here. So for these two GL, right? Now let's suppose there is a condition, rent account debit 1000, right? And audit fee, another GL, like let's suppose 4001. I don't know audit fee GL I have created or not, just I'm quoting an example. What's up 200? Okay. So look at here, 1000 debit and 200 debit, total 1200, and this bank account is going to be credited with 1200. So for these two GL, assignment field is suppressed. So look at here, system has not allowed you to make any kind of changes. At the same time, if for audit fee, if the assignment field is the required entry, then what is happening? If the entire column itself is going to disappear, then what about this audit fee, guys? Where we are going to enter the details, right? So in F350, in enjoy transactions, right? When you are going to make any field as a suppressed and all, so it is going to be suppressed. It means you won't be able to enter any details here. Okay, but entire column is not going to be suppressed. Why? Because if you are going to post a complex entry where like multiple GLs are getting debited, multiple versus one or one versus multiple, whatever it is, right? So in that case, for certain GL, different control is there. For certain GL, different control is there. The same assignment field is a required entry for one GL. At the same time, it is suppressed for other GL, other few GLs. It is like optional for few GLs, right? So generally, entire column will not be having what is a impact, guys. Row wise impact is there. This is called row, right? And this is called column, right? So the column will not disappear, guys. Where is the impact? Row wise impact is there. In this GL, if you want assignment field supposed to be mandatory, then here against rent GL, what is happening, guys? We are going to assign a different field status group. At the same time, for bank GL, if you want assignment field as a required entry, then what will happen, guys? We have to assign a different field status group. That is why what is happening? Field status variant. It is the cluster of field status group. Why multiple field status groups are already delivered by SAP, guys? And even in real time, what is happening? As per the client requirement, multiple field status group can be set up later also. Why? Because GL wise different requirement will be there. The same field is suppressed when we are going to post a transaction against a particular GL. At the same time, the same field is going to be a required entry if you post a transaction against a different GL, right? At the same time, again, for different GL, it could be optional, right? So based on the requirement, what is happening, guys? Different field status groups will be set up, and that is going to be assigned against SAP. But generally, what happens? SAP, most of the field status groups are already delivered by SAP. In the sense, I say field status variant or field status group, both are same, right? Inside of variant, we are having multiple field status group, and these field status group we assign against GL account. When you post a transaction, transactions are getting posted against GL account itself, right? So system is able to identify the GL account. From GL account, system is going to identify the field status group. Whatever setting we have done against field status group, the fields are going to appear as per that. Now you guys tell me, what is the difference between field status variant and account group? Anyone?
Field status variant control the field while and the account group control the field in master data while creating GL in so in that time we can control.
Okay. Okay. Yes, it is correct. And what is the difference between posting key and field status variant, guys?
Field status variant is company level setting and posting is client level setting.
Okay. Yes. So posting key is a client level setting, guys, because I told you guys, even posting key is also going to control the same field, whichever is being controlled by field status variant, that I have shown you practically also in the previous session, right? So this is what the difference. Now here, generally, I'll tell you, now there are, let's suppose, a very simple question is there, okay? I'm having document type, field status variant, right? Then account group. Then we are having, let's suppose, posting key. Okay. Out of these four, you have to tell me the odd one. Out of these four, which one is the odd one? In the sense, three are similar, three are having certain similarity, and one is odd. So guys, one by one you tell me.
Document
Which
type is
one
the odd one, I think.
Say document type.
is the odd one? Okay. Anybody?
Because document type controls two fields and rest all are line item settings, sir.
Okay. Any other answers, guys?
Yeah, account group. We can say we can also define account group because
Wait,
account group
why
control
you
the
want
master
to?
data.
Wait. You have to explain the logic also, dear, right?
Yeah, account group control master data, but other three are control the document type. While we posting document, on that time we can control the field. Yeah, we can take like that also.
Okay. Any other answer, guys? So yes, the last answer is correct, right? Look at here, account group. Account group is the odd one. Document type, it controls certain fields, only two fields. But those fields where it is appearing, guys, at the time of transaction posting. These, right? Here it is appearing. I think that connectivity is gone. Anyway, so then we are having this field status variant that also controls the same field at the time of transaction posting, right? Posting key control the same field, guys, which appears at the time of transaction posting. But this control the fields of master data, right? Now, out of these three, which one is the odd one? Tell me, guys.
Posting key.
Posting key.
Again,
Posting key is the odd one.
according to
Why?
me, sir, document type.
Okay, wait, one by one. Posting key. So first of all, posting key. Tell me why.
Because posting is client level setting, the other two is a company level setting, so we can take like that. Differentiate. We can also take document types also because document types control metadata. Other
No,
two are control
one
line item.
answer. One answer you say.
Yes, sir. Yeah, posting key is a client level setting, so we can different like that.
That is the answer from Jafar, right? Okay. What about others?
Yes, sir.
The odd one is field status variant, sir, because field status variant is a company code setting, whereas posting key and document type are both client level settings.
Okay. Field status variant. Fahad, right? Tell me other people. Anyone?
Sir, document type, sir,
Why
because
document?
document type is a header data, and it control only two fields, and rest both the are both fiscal state field status variant and posting key are line item. um yeah.
Yeah, I can answer. Anybody else, guys? Document type. Raj is also saying document type. Yeah. So, guys, no, actually, see, the thing is, you have to give a proper answer, right? So, first of all, if somebody said posting key, that is absolutely wrong. Why? Because posting key is a client level setting. Even document type is also client level setting. So, if you are thinking like that, then field status variant is the odd one, right? Why? Because this is a client level setting and this is a client level setting. So, that is the one. Second one is this document type is going to control a fields of what? It is going to control the fields of header data, right? I'm just typing in shortcut, don't look at the spellings, right? So header data, and these two fields are getting controlling the fields of transaction itself, but line item, right? I'll tell you guys, if you are going for certifications and all, such kind of several questions can be asked. Or I'll tell you, during interview, interviewer may ask any question. We can't say that, okay, this question cannot be asked, that question cannot be asked, right? These are the basics only. But the thing is like, if you know the logic, then only you guys are going to respond, right? And nothing is small, whether it is basic or whatever it is. Anyway, since we are in the beginning itself, right? Multiple topics are yet to come. Still we are in document posting itself. The topic will be started after this, right? In the sense like important topics I'm talking about. Now, so here line item, field status variant control the fields of transaction, like all this, whatever transactions are getting posted, but the transactions line item details, line item fields are going to be controlled. See here, again, this is slow, so I think it may take some time. Anyway, guys, I'll just complete this logic and then I'll stop the session because it is quite slow. So go to FB 50. Okay, so now guys, this is your, sorry, I'll come to, this is header data, right? And this is called line item. Not only this much, this entire, whatever, like till these all are line item. This is header. So document type is having control where, guys, this one and this one, these two fields, header text and reference field. Whereas posting key and field status variant, right? That is going to control which field, guys? This is going to control here, line item, right? So you have to say what you have to say. You have to say, if you talk about like, if we talk in terms of client level setting and company code level setting, then document type, then field status variant is going to be odd one. Why? Because posting key is a client level setting and document type is a client level setting, whereas field status variant is a company code level setting, right? And if you talk about the field controls, then document type controls the fields of header data, whereas field status variant and posting key control the fields of line item. So in this case, field status variant and posting keys are similar and document type is the odd one. right? So both are the things which you have to explain. That is called smart answer. And remaining whatever is there, that is half itself, right? Even though like whatever you guys said except posting key, that I got an answer posting key, right? That is the wrong answer. But remaining all are right answer only, but the half answer, right? So I wanted to explain some more thing, guys, but again the server is quite slow. So I'll stop the session here itself, and remaining will be explained in next session.